Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys Oppo mobile setting, and today video title is guys how to use Oppo mobile date and time setting. Friends, you want to use Oppo mobile date and time setting. So friends, now let's see how to use Oppo mobile date and time setting one by one, step by step, as we will talk about. So before starting video, friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video guys. So friends, in your Oppo mobile, how to use date and time setting. Open your device phone setting. After turn phone setting, friends, you can see this type interface in your Oppo mobile. Friends, in your Oppo mobile, scroll down here. Open your Oppo mobile additional setting. After turn by phone additional setting, friends, language setting you want to use, so you can use date and time setting you want to use. So friends, you can on date and time setting and you can use it. So friends, click here date and time setting, and friends, you want to set time, you want to set date. So how to set? First of all, click here set time automatic setting off. After turn off, you can select time zone, and friends, if you on, so you cannot select time zone setting, you cannot use. If you click here now, you can select time zone. You want to change time zone in Oppo mobile, so friends, you can change and you can set time zone in Oppo mobile. So friends, click here date setting. You can select date and you can set date and you can change date in Oppo mobile. Friends, I will set here 21 June, so friends, you can check. And time, friends, you want to set, you want to change, so you can set, you can change. Example, friends, I will set here 2 AM you want to use, so you can use AM time. You want to use PM time, so click here PM, you can use AM and PM. Friends, now you can check your time will show 2 PM. Date is Wednesday 21 June. So like that, friends, you can use Oppo mobile date and time setting. You can set date, you can set time in your Oppo mobile. Friends, you want to change, so again click here, you can change date and time. If you click here date setting, you can set date, you can set time. And if you click here, so you can use date and time setting. And if you click here time zone, so you can select time zone, you can change time zone. Home screen world clock you want to on, you can on. Dual clock setting you want to use, so you can use dual clock setting. Last, friends, if you click here use 24-hour format setting, your time will not show 2 PM, time will show here 14. Friends, you can check, time will show 14, not 2 PM. Again click here. Friends, you can use date and time in AM and PM. And again, if you click here use 24-hour format setting, so you can use 14. And friends, if you click here set time automatic setting, so friends, correct time and correct date will set 10:37 Tuesday 20 June. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video.